Hey guys, this is Shiv, Android developer. In this video, we are going to see how to change cursor color of EditText. Okay, let's start. Go to XML file and change the text view to EditText. Now change the width size. Clear the text and add a hint, then set the background tint color. Now run the project. You can see the cursor with default color. Okay, let's change it. Navigate to the project view and right-click on the drawable file where located in Resource File. Then click New and click Drawable Resource File. In the new window, fill the file name and change the root element to Shape. Click OK. Now, new drawable file is created. In the Shape tag, add a size tag with width element for specify the width of the cursor, and add a solid tag with color element for color of the cursor. Now go to the main XML file. Add a text cursor drawable and set our new drawable file. Now rerun the project. You can see cursor color is changed successfully. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video. If you have any doubt on this, put your doubt on command box. And never forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye friends.